Online students, am I audible to you? Okay. So now let's start the discussion. Previous class, online students, try to follow me. Last class, we started with regular expressions. Under that, quantifiers was our last class. This is the quantifiers concept I shown you. And we discussed about plus, star, question mark, dot, and I said some special formulas I mentioned it that are very simple that we have seen up to that. And online students, today. So today the last class. Voice is not coming up. Is my voice is clear, students? All the students who are in the online. So clear, voice is clear. Today the last class, and like daily from the day one onwards, I used to speak to you people, used to speak to all online students at the end of the class. At the end of the class. Today, I'm not talking. I'm not talking in the sense I'm talking to offline students. So, emojis, I said, Shahid, you don't excite now only. I said in the class, I said, emoji symbol, I said, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, it is easy. I will say QR code also. I will tell about iterator also. That are very simple. I said, don't get any tension. And when you are in my den, you are safe. You are safe. So, last class for playing Janaganamana coming, huh? So, coming to the point of it, okay, Shahid. So, whatever I said, I'll keep on my words as this. Right, students? And no more queries at the end of the class. Last 15 minutes, I'll speak to online students. And the last 15 minutes, I'll speak to offline students. And don't get tension. Let me start my topic. So, Farhana, okay, my last point, you can express your views about my class and prepare with your views and all those things. When after my completion of the subject, you can express your views. So, let me start my topic. Open the notes. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Which will extract, which will evaluate, you write, which will validate, which will validate, which will validate, which will validate mobile number, which will validate mobile number, which will validate mobile number, which will validate mobile number. Let's go. So by using regular expressions, by using regular expressions, by using regular expressions. Okay, look at that. Without late, I'm going to do that example here. So program for validating mobile number by using regular expressions. You can write with a normal coding also. Normal coding also you can write it, but regular expressions is easy and more effective also. Let's start. MNO is equal to, I am taking input of enter your mobile number. Enter your mobile number. So enter your mobile number. I'm taking the mobile number in the form of what? STR. In the form of STR. Regular expressions. Right. So in the form of what? STR I am taking. Now there I am checking mobile number length I am checking. Mobile number length is what? 10. That 10 string format I'm taking. String format I'm taking. Why string format I'm taking? Because you come here, come to your friend. He'll sit there only. Fighting. Huh? Fighting. Listen. Now, MNO is equal to beginning friends. When they come to the class now, beginning friends. I'm observing a lot of girls. Beginning friends, 10, 15 days. After that, that friend will sit here, that friend will sit there. I used to observe a lot of girls like that. Boys, I did not observe. Girls will fight more and more, and we don't know. But today, I don't want to waste my time. Let us. Last moment, I will speak about that. So, MNO. Why I'm taking in the form of STR? Because regular expression search pattern is always in STR format. So I'll write it here. If LN of MNO is equal to what? Is equal to what? 10. 10. Length of MNO is 10. I'll say what? Print of what? Valid I will say. Just this is not a final code. I'm just writing. Else what I will write it? Else what I will write it? Print of. What is that? /t is invalid mobile number, invalid mobile number, invalid mobile number due to its length, due to its length. Dot format of what? Dot format of what? MNO. Dot format of MNO. So if you run my code, if I run my code, try again, I will say, try again, try again, I will say. Try again, I will say. So try again. Try again means I have to bring back to the original or not? Bring back to the original. What should I write it? Yes. This part you already know. Already know. It's very simple to do the coding. So let us have a, so I'm writing mobile number validation example 1.py. So try to save it, students. Go to the place. So there I'm writing mobile number validation example 1.py. Save it and go to the command prompt, CMD. I'll take up this, run as an administrator, and colon and KVR, here Python, say 6 p.m. and CD regular expressions. There I will run it. PY, I am entering, enter the mobile number. Now I am entering 889977665512. How many digits? 12. 12. Definitely, what is happening? It is false. Coming to where? So you will be getting invalid mobile number. Try again. Are you following? Next, I will do what? Like this, I will enter. Like this, I am entering. What is that? 9 digits are there. 9 and plus 1 alphabet. But it is saying what? Valid it is saying. But it is not a valid, no? So there I need to go to the concept. Here I will write a code. Now I will write a code. So mobile number should be what? Purely digits. How many digits? 10. In the 10 in length, purely digits required, but not non-digits. So I will apply what? Regular expression. What is the regular expression? Digits. What is the digit? /d. 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 Now, how many? 10. What is that? Like this. What is it? What is it? Search pattern. To be applied on where? MNO. So the 10 digits you are searching one at a time, one by one, at a time. 10 digits checking once their digits are not. I will apply which function? RE dot search. Iteration not necessary. Why? 10 digits, 10 digit number I will compare. Are the digits or not? I will check. Once I will check. RE dot search. That will return what? RES. What is the search RES value? RES can be either match object or none. Either match object or none. What is that now? If R is not equal to what? None. What I will say? Print of backslash T is valid mobile number. Valid mobile number. Save. And I'll say what? Break. I'll say break. Suppose if it is containing what I entered, 9 digits, one alphabet I entered. That case, what is the RES? None. Already shown. None. None not equal to none. మళ్ళా జాయిన్ అవ్వండి పైథాన్. False. True ఎవరు చెప్పింది? None not equal to none. False. Come to where? Else. None not equal to none. False. Today, if I ask you now, you will get a feeling of disappointment. I don't want to ask you questions today. Print of what? Because you are out of order almost. So this is called what? Is. What is that? Invalid mobile number. Invalid mobile number because it contains non-ints, non-integers. Try again. Dot format of what? MNO. Did you understand? Right. Done. See that? Finished. Execute. What is happening? Warning is coming. I don't want to go for warning at all. What should I write? R. What is R? Rho కాదు రా. ఎవరైనా రో చెప్పింది? ఇంత మహానుభావులు ఉన్నారు ఈ క్లాస్ లో. So what is that? R. That is nothing but what? Raw. Yesterday I said some example also. Apple example I said. Apple juice I said. Again you are saying R. Row. So line number 8. Dot format of MNO. Dot format of MNO. So come to the point of it. While I'm going in evening time, bike now, I will get classroom events sometimes. When I say R, row, I used to get sometimes, okay, who said that? None not equal to none, you are saying true. I'll remember that, students. So how can you? So come to the point back. And enter your mobile number. Now I'm entering like this. 9899, etc. 5. How many digits are there? 10. But out of the 10, one is there what? A. That is going to be called what here? I will go for what? Importing also to be taken. RE did not import. I need to import that also. Yes, sir. Samiuddin. RE, I need to import that also. Import what? RE also I need to do it. So let us come out of that. Execute now. Say that. Do this. Enter. What is that? Invalid mobile number due to its length. You enter this. You say this one. Correctly, how many are there? 10 only. But in the 10, what is there? One alphabet is also there. RES is going to be what? None. Or not 10 digits. None. None not equal to none. False. Coming to where? For that if else. Invalid mobile number because it contains non-ints. Go to the true again. See that now. It is going to contain invalid mobile number due to what? Non-ints. Say something like I am writing something like hyphen I wrote it. It is called invalid mobile number. I'll say something like a dollar. I wrote it. It is also called invalid mobile number. Now I will give my mobile number. You save it because for any doubts are there, you contact me. So I said I'll give my mobile number for you. Beginning days, did you remember? I'll give my mobile number. You save it. Any doubts are there, you contact me. Any doubts you have, you can contact me. And any doubts, you can put a WhatsApp message. I will reply after my classes. Generally in my lunch time, I will communicate. I'll send you the doubts. After I reach to the home, if my messages are there in evening time, I will respond to it. Suppose if I send night 1:30, 2:30 by watching YouTube and all, if I send, Next day morning, I will reply like that. So I'll enter my number. So this is my number I entered. So this is called what? The 10 digits are there. 10 digits are available. This is my mobile number. So coming to the point of it, this mobile number I'm giving to all the students in the online. I'm sending to all the students. You take that mobile number. To everybody that mobile number has come. Online students, you take care. It's my WhatsApp number and mobile number. Take care. So is it okay? Is it understandable? This is called mobile number validation. Very important example, which you will come across generally in the written test part. Okay now? Right. Next, one more program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will extract, which will extract, which will extract, which will extract the names, which will extract the names, which will extract the names from given, which will extract the names from given text, which will extract the name from given text by using regular expressions. By using regular expressions. Extracting the names from given text, from given text. So see students, names extract, extract example 1.py. See students, import RE, import RE, I'm taking, given data is equal to, now I'm writing, row sum is the developer of, is the developer of Python. Develop or row sum got row sum, developer of Python, comma, and Gosling, I'm just writing here some scientist names I'm writing. Gosling is the developer of what, Java, developer of Java. And the Travis is the developer of, NumPy, and now, and Kinney is the developer of, Pandas, This is my given text. This is my given text. Like that, I will tell this regular expression through files also, through files. Do you know files? Files completed? Remember it? Okay, you remember, it's good. So this is my given data. But actually, PVM don't know that these are something is names are there. And you have to observe this data carefully. Rosam is a name, Gosling is the name, Travis is the name, Kinney is the name. So how can we understand that these are the names? Because the first letter is going to be called what? Capital letter is given. Actually, PVM don't know that Rosam is the word. No language knows that these are called names. But as a programmer, you can make the PVM to identify that is a name. That depends on how you prepare the search pattern. Shall I do that? What is our search pattern? Search pattern prepare. Search pattern. What is the name? First letter of the word is capital. That is going to be treated as what? Name. There is a criteria here. Tell me, how do you do it? First letter of the word is what? Capital. One capital letter. How do you take? Double quotes. Actually, search pattern preparation require complete knowledge of programmer defined, predefined, quantifier. These three things combination together is called search pattern. What is my word? Actually, I want to search for what? Words. Words means what? A to Z, small a to Z, capital A to Z. But first letter is what? Capital. So which capital? It can be A to Z. That indicates what? One capital letter. After one capital letter, that is called R, G, and T, and K. After that capital letter, what are available? One or more small letters. one or more small letters. Generally, we wrote yesterday what? A to Z, like that I wrote it. That indicates what? Total alphabets will come. But what is my requirement? First letter must be alphabet, capital alphabet. That is one box. Another box is what? Small a to Z. That indicates what? One capital letter, one small letter. One capital letter, one small letter. How many small letters? One or more small letters. One or more small letters. How many uppercase letters? One uppercase letter. How many lowercase letters? One or more. What should I use? Plus. That's all. Don't give space. Space is also considered as one symbol. No space. Are you following that? That is the regular expression for what? Searching for the name. I hope you are following. Done. Now I will write it. Names is equal to RE dot. Throughout the entire I want to find out. How do you use it? RE dot find ITER. You want to find ITER? You can, no problem. What is that? SP comma GD. SP comma GD. How do you print? For name in where? Names. Print of what? Name dot what? Start comma name dot what? End comma name dot what? Group of. So this will be given. Save this code. Save this code. Go to the place. Save it here. Name extract. So here you try to see, students. Save it. Execute. PY. See this now. I'm getting 0 to 6 Rosam is there. 26 to 33 Gosling is there. 50 to 58 Rosam, Travis is there. 80 through 89 is what? Kine is there. But we don't want indexes. Do you really need indexes? Huh? No. I simply want what? Names only. What I want simply, no need to go for what? Find ITR. Simply I will go for what? Find all. What will come? Print of what? Names. Names will come. Print the names. Am I getting the names or not? How do you print the names? Print of, come on, list of names. List of names. Come on. For name in where? Names. Print of what? I'll say here, double quotes, \T, dot format of what? Name. Dot format of name. Execute. So got it. List of names. You got the list of names or not? So Rosam, Gosling, etc. We got it. Are you following me? Next I will write it. I'll write it. And KVR is the trainer of Python, I am saying. So here I am writing it. So you got it. That name also got it. Are you following me? Right. This is also very, very important. See, regular expressions preparation is required. Three things in the mind always. One is programmer defined, predefined, quantifiers that are very, very important. Okay, now next one more. Online students, I hope you are following me. One more example. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will extract marks of the student, marks of the students, marks of the students, marks of the students by using regular expressions, by using regular expressions, by using regular expressions. Look at that. I'm taking this, carefully follow. Here I'm writing 3 students. Now I'm going to take up marks extract, marks extract example 1. Extract the marks from given text. Rosam got 66 marks. Rosam got 66 marks. Gosling got 34 marks. And Travis got 68 marks. 68 marks. So coming to the writing here, 68 marks, and Kine got, so here Kine got some 88 marks, and KVR got 11 marks, like this. We got the things like that. I want to get what? Marks. So how do you get the marks? Search pattern is equal to, I will write it. What I will write it? Slash D, That is 1 digit. But I want what? 2 digits. I will write it what? 2, 2. What is that is? Like this. 2, 2 digits. 2 digits. So try to come to the 2 digits. So under that, you need to have yesterday's knowledge. Then only you can understand. Yesterday not present, it will become looking like something different, like Malayalam, like something like Greece, Portuguese, like that. So you need to attend yesterday class. So D is equal to like that. Now you go for what? Marks list is equal to RE dot find all of what? SP comma what? GD. SP comma GD. Print what here? Marks list. Print marks list. See that how simple it is done. Go to the place. Here I am going to take up. So marks list. Here I am writing. Try to execute. Say here PY like this. I got it what? Marks list coming or not? And this is called a raw methodology is taken. I will take it what? R. What is R? Raw. Raw. So coming to the point back. So here you got all the marks. So I want to print that marks for what? Marks in marks list. Marks in marks list. Print of what? \T. Format of what? Marks. I am going to take it. Execute. So got it. All the marks. Next, this is a mark. So simple. The main story is present here only. That is the total story is present there only. Next, I want what? Names plus marks I want. Names plus marks I want. Combined together I want. That is, I'm not dictating. As an additional program I am writing here. Look at any names plus marks I want to get it. Program for extracting names and what? Marks from given text. Names, marks, extract example 1.py. Import RE, GD, got it. Now I want to go for, this is called SP, this is called MSP, mark search pattern. And the next what? Name, NSP, names search pattern is equal to what I said already. A to Z, already I said. And A to Z of what? Plus, I said. Go to what? Names list is equal to RE dot find all of what? NSP comma what? GD. NSP comma GD. And SP comma, what is this? MSP comma GD. And I want to print the names plus marks. So print of what? Names list plus print of what? Marks list. You see that it is going to print both of them. So here, go to the place. Here you save it. So here I'm going to say marks list plus names list, both of them. You try to execute PY. See this now. Got it. All the names I got it. Marks I want to get it. I want to print like a names one side, marks one side. I want to print it. What you will use? What you will use? Nothing you will use. మీ వల్ల ఏం కాదు అసలు. So print. What is this now? \T. Names \T. Marks. I will go for it. For names, comma what? Marks in zip of names list, comma marks list. Explain the zip or not? Yes, because Zip is gone already. Zip is not working. Back zip is not already gone. So totally gone. So coming to backslash T, not the format of what? Names, comma what? Marks. Generally, when SAR right now, long ago SAR taught. Yes, somewhere else taught. If I don't bring out, you will not. Why it is not coming out to you? Because you are not reading. Whenever I read, you are striking. That means you are intelligent, but you are not bringing out your intelligent up. That's the main. It's not only your problem. Total people are like that. Because they don't have the taste in the life. What is the life they don't know. When difficulties will come all of a sudden, you will realize how the things should be. So, coming to the point of it, when you say PY, coming to the point of it, getting what? Names plus marks. Are you following? So names are coming, marks are coming. Next, so this is the data. I think you are getting. And Richie got 77 marks. Richie got 77 marks. So Richie got 77 marks. Understood? Right. This is this kind of thing. We will go forward through files. How to do it? Through files. Suppose I put some documentation, some 2 to 3 lines. I have what a MS Word document is there. In MS Word document, 20 pages, 30 pages documentation is available. So I will not write with handwriting now. Already it was developed it. From the document, I want to read names plus what? Marks, I want to read it. How to read that? Through files only. I will bring that file. I'll open the file in where? Read mode. From the file, I will read the data. That data I will submit to the regular expression. Can I do that? So how to do that? Now I'll create a first file. The same data, I will take it. I will take this data. I'll go to the control N, new notepad file. I put it across. Are you following? This data, I will save it. Go to file and say what? Save. Go to save. I will go to that where I am saving in notes. Wherever you like it, D colon, C colon, you know already. You save it. What is my data? You say the data is called student dot info or student dot data, whatever you like it. Dot data. So I need to take it as a dot data only. Dot data, if you want to take it, what should I do? Need to save within the double quotes. Where I start the double quote saving in CSV file mechanism, I said dot data. So you save it so that it will be saved with a dot data only within the double quotes. If I don't save within the double quotes, it will take what? Dot data, dot txt, it will take automatic default extension, it will take. Are you getting? So now I want to read the data. How do you read the data? Through the regular expression. Come on now. Program for same thing. I will carry this now in this place. Program for extracting names and marks from given file. What is the file name? Student dot. What is that? Data. Student dot data. 2.py. Come on. Files concept. Import what? RE. Now what should I do? Read the data from the file. To read the data from the file, what should I do? To read the data from the file, how many steps? Huh? 6 7 How many? ఎందుకే మీరు అసలు గజనీస్ అంతా go to files 6 p.m. 3 steps required. Operations on file. Choose the file name. Open the file name in read mode. Perform the cycle of reading. See that beautiful Indian Constitution. Choose the file name. Open the file name in read mode. Perform the cycle of read operation. Number of approaches to open the file. Almost if you look at my index, mind blowing. But when I see by opening your brain, not blow, RN is also not there inside. RN is also not there. The sound is also not coming because such a beautiful preparation you did. It's not good, students, not good. Come on now. I'll do what? With open, I need to specify the name of the file and you need to specify the mode name as what? FP. What is my file name? I need to specify. Where is my file is available? Go to that 6 p.m. regular expressions under the notes. This is my data. Take that entire absolute path and mention here. Mention here. This is the done. R mode. I said R mode. EFP. EFP. And if the file is not there, I will write it as what? Like this. Except I am writing, what is this now? File not found error. File not found error. Print of what? File does not exist. File does not exist. You'll get it. FP. Then tell me, file data is equal to FP dot read. Read. Read lines, read of number of characters, seek function, list, tell function, random access file size set, and then read function size set. All of them. If you open it, it is available. Print of what data? File data. Whatever the file data is there, it is going to come. I need to use it what? This slashes. This slashes I need to use it. Already I said. So I need to save this data. So here I will save this code. Go to the place. Here I am going to enter into this regular expressions. I will go to this place, save it. Done. Go to the place, save it. Out of that, you execute. Py, this is the data. File not found error does not. File not found error. File not found error. So alphabets కిందనే ఉన్నారా మీరు? Capital alphabets, small alphabets like that. File not found error. So permission denied this nodes because my file was active. My file was active. Close it and try to do it. Try to do it. So done. So permission denied. What is happening? File name need to write it. Yes. What is the file name? Student dot data. Good. Good students. So here what is happening? This entire thing is getting or not? Yes. So go to the place. Here I will write one more value is there. Student dot data. You open it. You are here. I am having this is the data and Aditya got 44 marks. I just added newly added and see that Aditya data is also coming. From that data, I want to get the information. So come on here, file data ready. Now I need to write my description or not. Come on, how do I get it? Names list is equal to, directly I will write it. What is that? RE dot find all of what? Within that A to Z and A to Z plus, comma what? File data. File data. Next is called what? Marks list is equal to RE dot find all of \d of what here? 2. I will write it here R. I will write it. I will write it here R. And I will say not comma what is this now? File data. File data. Now I will print the decorative part from previous code. This part I will bring it. I hope that it is more clear. So bring this data. Are you following me? Done. So names plus marks, names list, marks list, zip function format of. This is the main important task. Files. These are all these things done. Today the new concept is only this. So execute, save the code, come out of that, py, done. So getting through files, anything, whatever it is, you are going to get the data. Are you following? Next, one more concept I want to go for it. What is the next one? Same file I want to create one more file. See the data. So here I am writing Rosam mail ID is Rosam mail ID is Rosam under PSF at the rate PSF.com. PSF.com. Gosling mail ID is what is that? Mail ID is Gosling underscore Java at the rate sun.org. Sun.org. Sun Microsystem. Travis mail ID is mail ID is Travis underscore 1 at the rate numpy.com and Kine mail ID is mail ID is I'm writing Kine underscore PIN at the rate pandas.org.net and KVR mail ID is now I'm giving my mail ID students remember and KVR1 dot python at the rate gmail.com and Richie mail ID is Richie underscore C at the rate well.net.in Aditya mail ID is Aditya underscore TCS underscore PY at the rate TCS.com. This is called my mail ID data. I have a PDF file. There are a lot of mails are there. I need for digital marketing to write a script for getting these mail IDs. Let us save. Go to that mail, save it. So under that I am saving it. How do you save it? Mails dot what? Info. Mails info within the double quotes. Now I want to get the mails. Getting? How do you get the mails? So I'm going to get it. Copy that. See students and others. I'm getting here Python now. Extracting names and mails. First I will take up what? Names and mails. Names and mails from given file. What is my mail? Mails dot what? Info. Mails dot what? Info. Mails dot info. Names. I will write it what? Names. Mails. Names mails. Names mails extract example dot py. As usual, what I will write it? Same. Come on. Mails dot what? Info. Read. fp dot read. File data coming or not? Names is same. But mails list I am going to take it. Beautiful this is. What should I write it? That is our topic. So as usual, I will write here, comma what? What data? File data. So go to once your files. Mails you see. What is the mails? Observe that now. What is that observation? I am preparing the regular expression for mails. First, what symbol to be taken? At the rate symbol to be taken as this. Left side of at the rate symbol what? All non-space characters are there. Non-space characters. Because that will come by practice for you. Non-space characters. So what should I write it? Right side also what? Non-space characters. What are the non-space characters? Yes. Slash capital S. Slash capital S. How many non-space characters? One or more. Non-space character only. Non-space character one by one is coming, but I want one or more. What I will write? Plus and I'll write plus. This is the regular expression for searching mail IDs. Understood? Go there. I will write it here. I will write it here. Go to this place. Here I am writing. Come on. Here or I will write it. Slash S plus at the rate slash S plus. I wrote file data. Beautiful. Now print names plus what? mails, names, and I will write mails. And what is this now? Mails list, mails list, and I will write mails. Easy. Mails and printing that. But file does not exist. Simple. So execute, go to the place. Here I'm going to get it. Done. Anywhere else mistake? Mails, names, mails, extract. Okay. So save this code, run this code, py. So got it. Done. Are you following that? Names plus mails came. Very, very important. So regular expression search preparation is what? Not by just looking at it will not get. You have to remember what? Programmer defined, predefined, quantifiers. These three things, if you mix it, one favorite dish will prepare. Only vegetables, only something if you cook, you cannot eat. You have to add some extra things to that. That is called what? Programmer defined character classes. Are you able to follow? This is about what? Like that, depends on your requirement, predefined, programmer defined, quantifiers you need to apply so that regular expressions will be prepared like this. Okay now? So, and about the regular expressions, I'll be sending regularly some coding tips for you when you are active in the Google Classroom. Generally, when the class is over, it doesn't mean that totally everything is over. I give my mail ID and I give my mobile number also. Why mobile number and mail ID is given? Though class is over, you are attaching with me. When my mobile number is there means what? I am there in your mobile. So even though class is over, you can access to sir. You can send your query to me. I will respond to you. And don't feel that when you ask a question, I don't ask you, are you reading these notes and all those things? I don't ask, I'll reply. But don't ask me in WhatsApp chat, sir, explain in detail about files concept. In detail, I cannot explain in WhatsApp, correct or not? So that's why student. Clear? This is about, if we go to my regular expressions, index of that, what is happening? Combined programming examples on programmer, predefined and quantifiers. Okay. This is about regular expressions concept. Now I'm going to say, Monica, when will be the next NumPy class will start? Very soon, ma. Not tomorrow itself. We will intimate. Very soon it will start. In a couple of days it will start. All of you will get a message. I'll keep it in the Google Drive class. And our admins will contact you. Everybody will contact you. They will tell you. Nothing to worry. Very soon that will be starting in the class. Okay now? So Tulasi, password extraction one program, sir, please. Password extractions require your network security algorithms that you will get it in AI. Password extraction things are not there in the, suppose if your password is there, that password extraction, you cannot get it with a normal Python coding. You need AI kind of explanation. AI require algorithms, you will get it. Okay now? So expect that kind of things in the AI. Okay. Next I will go for, can you give your mail ID? Already my mail ID given here. It is available. So this is my mail ID. So I'm giving to everyone my mail ID. So to everyone that mail ID has given, try to take it. My mobile number also gave. Now I am going to enter into the another small concept which is available called what? Iterator I will talk. Iterators. Iterator I will explain. Very easy, not a difficult. Iterators. So the total story of iterators is depends on only one function called what? ITER. 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 Tell me, what is the use of generator? What is the use of generator? It will give the value only on demand. So generally you will come across ITER and generators in cloud computing. In IoT level, you will come across. What is the concept I said? When there is a large volume of data is there in some remote place, if I get the total data into my local system, If my local system doesn't have that much capacity of main memory, I may not be able to hold the same data. What I will do? For that large amount of data, I will create what here? Generator concept I will create. That is for what? Functions. That is for functions, which contains which keyword? Yield keyword. Here, it is to create objects. Suppose there is a list which contains so much of data. What is the list? Set, dict, frozen set, tuple. All those things are which object? Iterable objects. Which objects? For every iterable object, when it takes lot of amount of memory space, we will get that more amount of memory space object into less amount of object in the form of iterator object. To do that, I will use which function? Iter of. So all kinds of simple line I will write. All kinds of iterable objects can be converted into equivalent iterator by using which function? Iter function. Why to convert into iter? Normal iterable objects takes what? So much of memory space. How can I get it in smaller amount of memory space in my existing system? In the form of equivalent iterator. List is there, for example. List iterator. Set is there. Set iterator. Dict key iterator. Tuple iterator. What is the difference between tuple and tuple iterator? Tuple will take more memory space. Tuple iterator will take less memory space. Tuple iterator will give you what? Only value on demand. Shall I show you that? Direct program. Let's go. Here I will go to it. So I'm going to take up what is the use of iterators? To give you less memory space for large amount of objects. Simple. I'm going to take program for demonstrating the need of what? Iterators. Take it directly. X is equal to 10 comma rs comma 23.45 comma something like 2 plus 3j comma and 2 plus something like 3 plus 4j comma. I am taking true. Always it is going to be true. Yes, ma. Kavya, I said I will keep it up. I will keep it up. That library management, it is there in my laptop. Compulsory, I will keep that description for you. And whatever I said, I'll keep that in mind. Compulsory, I will keep that library information system in 1 or 2 days. Compulsory, whatever I said, I will keep it. Okay, na? Don't worry about it. So next is called what here? False. False. So I'll go for it. This data, I want to go for what? Print type of X. Type of X is equal to what? Type of X. What it is going to print here? Class. What is this? List. List. Let us go to what? List iterator. List iter. Example1 example.py. Let us save this code. Go to the place here. I'll take it as what? Iterators. Because these are all very simple, not a big deal. So done. Save this code. Save this code here. Done. Now you print it. Go to the place. Out of that cd iterator. Go to that py. You are getting class called what? List. Now I will convert into which type? Iterator type. How do I convert it? I will go for it. Iterator is equal to itr is equal to come on, iter of X. Converting list object into iterator object. What is the type you print? Type of itr is equal to type of what? Itr. Don't take much time. Easy. What is the type here? List. What is an iterator? List iterator. Tuple. Tuple iterator. str. str ASCII iterator. str ASCII iterator. Some extra dict key iterator because keys are main. Just look at that answer now. See that now, what is coming? List underscore iterator. For every iterable object, there is an iterator, that's all. What is the difference between list and list iterator? Important. List will give all values at once. List iterator will give the value only on demand. If I print X, total data dumping at a time, that is taking more space. If I print ITR, it will not print the data. It will print the memory address like a generator object. How do you get the data then? Print of next of what? ITR. Already you know next function. See that it will provide the value 10. Are you following? So how do you retrieve the data overall together? For value in where? ITR. I think if you remember that part of generator, you will understand. I'll say here dot format of what? Well, so it will print all the values. It will print all the values here. So it is going to give you all the values. Content of iterator is printed by using which function? Well, you can print this data by using what? While loop also. How do you print by using while? While true. All these things are done in where? Generator level. So there I said what? Try. Okay, without try you write it. Try. Next of what? ITR. It is going to give you. Finally, you will get stop iteration. One exception will come if you remember. గుర్తులేకపోతే ఏం చేయలేం మనము. Stop iteration. How do you do that? Try. If you write it, there I will write it. Except what is this now? Stop iteration. I'll say break. Print of what? Content of. Print of. Content of what? List underscore what? Iterator. Content of list underscore iterator. Like that, you say like this. Execute. See this. Got it. Are you getting or not? Simple. Same thing. This we got a iterator. This we got it as what? List iterator we got it. So this part we are writing here like this. Are you able to follow? Right. Similarly, go to where tuple also you take it. Tuple. I'm just changing tuple iterator. Just change the bracket. And then you will get it what here? Tuple. And you will get what immediately? Tuple iterator. Everything is same. See that. Save it. Go to that iterator. Under that, save this. Done. Coming to this place, py, done. What is happening? Tuple iterator. Tuple iterator. Go to what next? Set. Go to set iterator. Go to this place, set iterator. Take the same bracket, you change it. Symbolic notation, you change it. Here I am writing type of that. Set. Here same. It is known as what? Set iterator. Content. You want with another way? You can. What is the another way? For value in where? ITR. No need to use and all those things. Print of what? Well. And no break, nothing is required. So save this code and save this code. Under that, go to this place. Iterators. Under that, try to save it. Done. So go to the place. Here you see py, this part, you are getting complete data. Set, what is this now? Set iterator. Go to the next. I will go to the place. Be careful and see this now. I got it. This is dict iterator. I'm going to the dict iterator. X is equal to 10 colon Python, 20 colon C, 30 colon Java, and next is called what? 40 colon CPP, C++. This is my dictionary. Type of X is called what? Dict. Type of X is a dict. ITR. This is called what? Dict. Dict. What is that? Key iterator. Ninth line. Ninth line. Content of what? Dict iterator. ఇది ఏం కాదులే కానీ dict iterator. మీరు చిన్న పిల్లల కన్నా ఎక్కువ అసలు మీరు. So this is called what? Set iterator. Set iterator. Of course, I need like that. Because I only made like that. Because I explained spoon feeding, na, that's why. You habituated, even if you bigger, you need a spoon to eat. So this is called what? List iterator. Right? So I only made like that. That's required. That required. Sorry, following me. So for loop. What is the for loop? ITR. Huh? What is that? Dict iterator. What is printed? What is printed? Only keys will print. Only keys will print. Let us save that. Execute. See that it is like this. Execute that. Py. It is like this. So 10, 20, 30, 40. Only the keys came. I want to print the value also. How do you print the value? Comma. I will print it. I'll print it like this. \t. I'll print it. Dot format of what? Value. Comma. Format of value, comma. X dot get of what? Value. X dot get of value. Long ago, get is there. Whenever I read, I've seen it. Voluntarily, no output is coming. So coming to the point of it, what is happening? So close the bracket of one more. Close the bracket of one more. Here I got the data. Through dict iterator, I got the data. This is a subject. Items will not be there. Items and all those things is the wrong answer. Now you have to get it what? Another way of what? Value. Value like this. This also you can do. Get alternative syntax is third. You go to that, same answer will come. So once you have very good hairstyle, you can comb any way. If you don't have anything, ring road, bypass road only. Like you. So subject. Subject is a hairstyle here. Physical hairstyle, no use. If you say like this, nobody will look at. When you get 27 years, 28 years, like that, nobody will look at because job is important. Correct or not? So that is important. So coming to the point like this. Are you following this? Got it. Next is called what? STR I am going for. STR I am going to have. So see that STR iterator. STR iterator. Say S is equal to what? Python. S is equal to Python. What is this now? STR. Converted into what? Converted into what? STR. You want to print that STR? Okay. Type of STR is called what? STR. Something you will get it. ASCII. Like that. You'll get it. So here code is like that. Done. Dictive. What is this now? STR iterator. STR ASCII iterator. And that you remove. Print of what? Well. Print of well. Say simple. Out of that, execute. Py. Done. What happens? X is not defined. What is that X? Yes. Okay. Why this X? X only you take it. X only you take it. Getting. What is that now? STR ASCII iterator. What is ASCII? Full form of ASCII is a character set followed by those programming languages which are developed in English International Languages. ASCII is a character set followed by C, C++. C++ developed by those scientists in which language? International language called English. Python, Java and .NET are developed in other languages, even they are available. Spanish, German, they are available in other languages even. So they followed what? Unicode character set, universal code character set. That means ASCII contains only alphabets of Indian English. But Unicode will contain what? All countries' alphabets are there in Unicode. That's the meaning. That is the meaning. ASCII means this one. Unicode means universal code. That is not subject. Are you following that? So Unicode, uni stands for what? Universal. All the international languages alphabets are there in Unicode so that they are useful in the coding level. That is the meaning. Are you understanding? So how many iterator objects? List, tuple, set, Trojan set iterator also, dict iterator, str, bytes, range iterator, everything is available. Are you following? For all iterable object, there is a iterator. Iterator advantage is what? Taking less amount of memory space for large sampling of data. That is the meaning of what? Iterators. What is the function I am using? Iter of. What is the syntax? Iterator object is equal to iter of iterable object. You cannot go forward. Look at that. You cannot go forward. Look at this answer. This answer I am not posting you. Just like what? Example 1.py. X is equal to 12345 like this. You save this now. You save this now. Just like this. You save it. Error will come. Why error? Because int is not an str. It is not. Int is not an iterable. Error. Int is not an iterable object. You cannot convert into that. Understand? So when I take integer value, one value only coming. So you cannot go for what? Multiple values. Understood? Right. Iterator is simple. Shall I go to next step? I will go to emoji symbol. Emoji. Now, so point to point, your face feelings are changing. Class is completing. Tomorrow onwards, what to do? Like that. So I will go for emoji symbol first or QR code, whatever it is. QR code I want to tell you last. What is emoji? Expressing our emotions is called emoji. What is emoji? Expressing your emotions in the form of a diagram is called what? Emoji. So if you are so angry on your friend, you'll say red face. If you are happy, you'll say smiling face. If you say laughing face, and a total 32 teeth is visible. Symbols are there or not? And you will show you are strong in subject. You'll say like this. Correct or not? And you want to say some namaste to somebody, you'll say two close hands. Correct or not? So, are you following this? Like that, you want to show some flower to somebody, you'll send the flower. You'll show some heart symbol, you can express. These are all called what? Emoji symbols. What is the module? Emoji. Spell out. Emoji, God, emoji. Emoji. Spell out. It is a third party module. It is a third party module. Third party module. How do you install? Pip install emoji. What is emoji? Third party module. What is the definition of module? Contains global variables, function names, etc. In the emoji module, there is a function called emojize. Emojize. Emoji, ZIJD. JIJ. Something is there. I did not remember. When I write the code, you will get it. Emoji dot emojize. There is a function. That's all. I need to install the function. I need to go for, sir, from where I can get these emoji symbols? I'll show you. Go to my system. I will go to my place and I will get it. Let us coming to this place, students. I'll go for here. Emoji. Emoji. There is one concept is there. I want to show you. Straightforward. You only read out. Start. Read fast. Emojis are used to express emotions while writing messages or any piece of text. If we want to learn how to display emojis in the output by using Python programming languages, we are using through this one emoji How to print emojis using what? Python. Printing emoji by using what? Python. Smiling, thumbs up, and heart emoji are some of the emojis we often use while texting our friends or colleagues. It is possible to print any emoji using Python programming language. To display emojis using Python, you need to install emoji module in your Python virtual environment. You can easily install it by using pip command on your terminal or command prompt as mentioned below. Pip install emoji. Next, the emoji dot emojis. Emojis method helps you to write the description of emoji inside of what? Colon. While writing the piece of text below are the example. So this colon in middle, colon ending. In middle of it, I will write what? Thumbs up. When explaining well, thumbs up. When power going, thumbs up. Not explaining, thumbs up. Like that. Correct. So next is called what? Red heart. Red heart. Next is called smiling face. These are all called what names? Sir, from where can I get that emoji symbols? There is a website called like this. I will go to this website. I'll go to this website and I will show you. Let me bring that. Go to the Google. Say this. Directly go to that. See that it is getting. These are all called emoji symbols. Are you following that? So many number of emoji symbols are available. So many number of emoji symbols are available. So many number of emoji symbols. Are you seeing this? So many emoji symbols are available. You see that? Johnny face. So like that. Next is called what? Chimper mouth face. Right, like this. So whatever you like it, you can take that kind of thing. See that how many symbols are available. So many number of symbols are available here. Such as so many symbols, you can write it. How they are writing? Inside of what? Colon they are writing. Are you following me? Go to the place. Now I will go to this code I will show you here. So here import emoji, print emoji dot emojis. So I love reading books. Colon what? Books symbol is written. Emoji dot emojis. Some people have very sensitive heart. Which heart? Red heart. And please be kind with them. Hibiscus flower, you know hibiscus flower, that flower. So that part I am going to take up. Go to where? PyCharm. Go to PyCharm. Go to PyCharm. See that here coming out of that. Take it. Let it be. One folder I'm taking. Not a problem now. So take it. Emoji here em1.py. So there I'm writing it. So see that now. See this now. Here I'm getting what is the first one? You are getting error or not? What is the error? Module not found error. Module, no module name. Do you know how to install? Yes, I forget how to install settings. Settings. Come on. Your module, your project name, Python interpreter. Go to where plus say what? Emojis. Emoji. 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 So emoji for Python. Who is the author? So some name Kim. Some name Kim. No need to remember. You remember Python. That is enough. You remember Kim enough. So don't remember that. You remember that. And say what? Install. 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 Installing. Installed successfully. Close. Say okay. Okay. Now run. Run this code. Now see that you got it. See here, we got it. I love reading books. Some people will have very sensitive heart. Please be kind with them. Okay now? Okay. Are you okay with this? Right. Online students. So coming to this place like that, you try to write it. Any of the symbol you want to bring it, you can bring it. What symbol I want? Hmm? Try to write it. Go to the place. Here I will write it. Print off. Print off. Emoji dot. Emoji dot. Emoji dot. What is the function now? Emojis. Say what? There you write like this. Emojis. You need to write within the double quotes. Within the double quotes you write it. Within the double quotes you write it. Try to write it. Try to run it. So output is not going to come. So here you try to take it in Jupyter notebook. I will take it. Jupyter notebook, you take it. Jupyter notebook. Jupyter notebook is a very popular for data science. In total NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib, I'll explain only on Jupyter notebook. Only on Jupyter notebook. So here, pip install what? Come on. Pip install. Come on. Emoji. So pip install emoji. That star symbol indicate that it is under running. So you'll be getting requirement already satisfied. You put it across. You run it. It is going to be output is showing like that. You see that women on bicycle. Women on bicycle. Are you following that? So like that. So like these students, you can get it. That entire symbols are there now. Whatever the symbols are there with you, that emoji symbols you can bring it. So emoji symbols you can bring it. So coming to so what symbol I want to print? Go into this place now. I'll go to this place now. Go to this area. So that part you try to take care and print off what? What is this now? Import. So print this code. This entire thing you bring it. So I'll write it. Why to waste my time? So import on it. Import what? Emoji here. So emoji dot emojize that logic which I want to bring it. You bring it here. Try to write it. Where is that code? So here you write it. This one you say. Print off this part you say. You try to write it like this. So you try to say like this. So class is over. Then something, some symbol is there. Like that, after going to home, try to take whatever figures you want. I'll send you this document as this, and you can plan it out like this. Okay now. So this is about what? MOC. What is the function name? One. Emojis. What is the module name? Emoji. Easy or difficult? Easy. Online students. So, 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 Monica. So, okay, mom. Thank you, mom. So, thank you for your appreciations. Now, I will show you what QR code. QR code I will show you. What is the module name? QR code. QR code is what module? Third party module. Need to install or not? How to install? If install QR code. QR code. In that there is a function called make. QR code you need to make. That code I will save it. A 2D picture will be created. Let's go. So I will go to the place here, E colon. There is a QR code example. I'll open it. Look at, you only read out. Don't take my time. You only read out. Start. Import QR code. QR code dot make. Dear students, course completed. Best of luck. Right. Some conclusion at the end. And that QR code dot save on which name? Student dot JPG. Print what? QR code generated, verify. So I will go for what? In PyCharm, I will take it in PyCharm. So next, how to write it? Go to that. Here I am going to write it. QRC. QRC. Just I made it. See students, here no student.jpg. No JPG files are available here. Here no JPG files. So if I run my code, you are getting error. What is that? Module not found error. Can you sort it out? Let's go. What is that? Settings. Under that, Python interpreter plus what is that? QR code. QR code. QR code. QR code is here. QR code. Who is the author? Who is an author? QR code. Lin Loop, whose name is Loop. Loop is also one scientist. So Lin colon something COLN. So Lin COLN Loop. If you don't know, you read out the words. Okay, that is not necessary. Install. Installing. Installing. So installed. Say close. Okay. Run. Be careful. Come on. What is that? QR code generated. What is that? Student.jpg. Student dot what? JPG. Click on student.jpg. If you scan your Google Lens, what you will get it? No, scan. Remove. See, it's taking mobile also. Scan. So once you scan it, what you will get it? So coming to this place. So are you taking selfie or what? So text not coming now. Coming or not coming? It is coming. Image will come, below the text will come. So like that. Is it clear? That's all. Venu, verification failed. Check it out. Now, that is my course is over. That's all. So, yes, Prashant, dear students, course completed. Best of luck. So, coming to Tulasi, see mom, logging concept is there as a part of Django because logging concept always there in the web application frameworks. Logging concept is always there in the web application concept. Once if I explain the total content, that I will complete everything. Django also I will teach, but my concept is Python only. I'll teach up to Python. Okay now? So password predictor also I can explain. I will explain the algorithm, but for everything, certain milestone is required. Okay now? So online students, now my class is completed. Now my class is completed. So Tulasi, sir, please take one Django patch. Bhumi, thank you, sir, for your wonderful knowledge. Thank you, Mom. Ramakrishna, I am eagerly waiting for your NumPy class. Definitely, we'll do that. So, students, I will give you my entire course in 2 zip files. In 1 or 2 days, I will send the total content for you one by one. So Rajni, so I did not understand anything, sir. All the best. So you are not understanding from beginning onwards. So Arjun, right. Thank you, my dear student. Saurabh, thank you. Seema, thank you, mom. Thank you. So fine. So Harish, thank you, my dear student. Sir, your class is blockbuster. Okay, thank you. So Pankaj Gautam, thank you. So now, so here Farhana. So I wanted to take a moment to thank you from bottom of my heart for your guidance and support throughout the Python course. Your clear explanation and patience and encouragement made learning Python and not just easy but also enjoyable. So I have gained so much knowledge and confidence. Thank you, sir. Your dedication truly made difference in my learning journey. I'm deeply grateful to everything you have taught me. Thank you, mom. Thank you. So students, tomorrow is completed. NumPy Pandas class, when it starts, we will send a message for you. Very soon it will start. In a couple of days, you will get the message. Okay, my dear students. So this is the one, those who are all appreciating. So I'm really appreciating you. And I'm asking, so this, thank you for all the students who is appreciating me. And, and this is my journey of the Python class with you people. So Venu and Hemnath. Thank you, students. Now I'm asking online students, any advices you want to give me, or any suggestions, any advices you are giving to me as a part of my class? Manikanta, no words to explain. You have given me too much concept. I'm eagerly waiting for your ML and DSA. Will you start it soon in the future, sir? Earlier, I used to start data structures and algorithms, but this days fully busy with Python classes. Anil, really great time with you, lot of learning. Thank you, my dear students. So, Radha Krishna, Mire, Mire, Mark Ivali, sir. So, okay. Advisors I asked, any suggestions or something. So, please take Django class. Very talented. Okay. Thank you, my dear students. So, okay. Farhana. Okay, mom. So, Vamsi, sir, his name is Hemnath. Hemnath is not, sir. Last time I telling to you, sir. Okay. Okay. So, okay, students. Now, online students, I did not talk to you because today I'm giving the time for you people and I'm going to sign off. All the students in online, now I'm signing it off. Hmm? Shashank Power, KVR sir is good. Great of all the time. Hmm. Greatest of all the time. Thank you, my dear students. No words to explain. Farhana, thank you, mom. Eagerly waiting for NumPy Pandas class. Once again, you'll come to my class. NumPy Pandas Matplotlib will stop. Very couple of days, it is going to start again. Okay, students. Now I'm going to sign off. So, Akhil, NumPy will start. The time we can. So is that Patil. East or west, KVR is the boss. Basta. Basta, Besta. So, okay. Missing your voice for a few days. Harish Patil. Okay. Right, students. Take care. All the best. Now I'm signing it off. Right, Ma Gopal Krishna. So thank you, my dear student. So thank you. All the best. Take care, students. Sir, which chocolate you like, sir? Farhana. So I like it basically. Actually, I any chocolate I like it. One student has given one chocolate. A 5-star chocolate has given one student is there. So given that. So okay, my dear students. Now I'll say I'll stop my class now. Sign off, students. Online students, now I'm writing best of luck and God bless you. God bless you all. So KVR is signing off, and thank you, students. All the best. Some red hot is coming out. Anuradha.